Welcome to this walkthrough of the AutoSolo 3-in-1 toe plates. Today, we'll show you how to set up and use these plates to measure toe angles, steer ahead, and thrust angles. Start by placing the first toe plate on the front wheel, aligning the laser etch center line with the wheel's center. Walk to the other side and place the second toe plate on the other wheel using the same alignment. Next, run the first measuring tape across the car and lock it in place for easy retrieval on the other side. Repeat this with a second tape on the back of the toe plates. Return to the opposite side and lock the measuring tapes into one of the angled slots on the plates. These slots ensure the measuring tape stays secured during setup. Head back to the other side, attach the measuring tapes, and let the tension hold them snug against the wheels. Take measurements from both the front and rear of the plates. Subtract the two values and use the built-in conversion chart on the plates to calculate toe angle. Now, let's measure the steer ahead angle using the included string kit and the toe plate's unique guide tabs. Start by tying the string to a secure point near the vehicle's center line. Run it through the tire grooves at about 7.5 inches high and thread it through the guide tabs on the toe plates. Run the string through the other toe plate and tie it off tight. Measure the distance between the string at the back of each toe plate. Compare the two sides. If there's a difference, adjust the tie rods until both sides match, ensuring the steering is perfectly centered. To measure the thrust angle, move the toe plates to the rear wheels. Place the front left toe plate on the back right wheel and the front right toe plate on the back left wheel. Double check the string is tight through the guide tabs, and attach a measuring tape to the front of the toe plates to keep them snug against the tires when measuring. Align the tape to the rear slot and take measurements on both sides. Compare the values to confirm the rear wheels are aligned with the vehicle's center line. With the AutoSolo 3-in-1 toe plates, you can confidently measure toe angles, steer ahead, and thrust angles with ease. Thanks for watching and happy aligning.